Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Gabe, and today we're going to be doing a product review on these three gloves. Remember that this is all subjective. There's really no performance increase you're going to get with the glove. The only thing that you need to know is that if it's FIA certified and SFI certified, which all three of these gloves meet those requirements, and they all have their compliance, I guess, stickers right here, and then inside as well they'll have their tags. So SFI as well, right here, SFI here and here. And let's go over the names of these three gloves real quick. Starting with the Adidas Rsr. This is a glove that's been discontinued. I thought I'd just throw it in this review because I've been using this glove for so long and had so many questions from people asking where I got it and where you can find this. It's pretty impossible to find nowadays, but yeah, there it is. Alpinestars Tech1 ZX V2. It's a mouthful, but a very good glove. And then we have the Puma Avanti 2019. So let's start off with the RSR. The RSR I've been using for about a year and a half. It's definitely shown signs of wear and tear, but no tearing. A little bit of stretching right here, and some would even say that may be even a tear, but I mean, I'm looking at the stitches and they're holding up just fine. And this is a very tight glove, guys. So if you guys are fans of tight gloves, this is it. Very nice feel. I really love these gloves. Like I said, I've used these for a year and a half now, over 20 to 30 events in these, and yeah, with it on, you can see a little bit of stretching right here, over here on the knuckle, a little bit on the wrist here, a little bit on the thumb as well from just grabbing the wheel and cranking down on the wheel left or right. But overall, an amazing glove. And honestly, if Adidas still made this glove, I'd still be wearing it. So, yeah. A little bit of cracking on the Adidas logo and on the print right there. But the grip on the palm is still in good shape after, that many events. Then I have the Alpinestars Tech1 ZX V2s. These are Alpinestars top of the line gloves. These retail about $210, depending on where you find them. And these are going to be the bulkiest of the three. They run the highest on the wrist. And yeah, if you're a fan of bulky gloves, this is obviously the one to go with. You have the seams on the outside here of the fingers. You can see. It doesn't really seem to impede or feel like there's shit in between my fingers, but definitely more noticeable than this glove. Like I said, just a bulkier glove, but with Alpinestars, you're getting a top-notch product. And this glove's been used for the past 6 months. Many times. The owner of this glove has been in the track with me almost, the same amount of times as I have, with me every single time, basically. And yeah, I see very little cracking on the print here, just a little bit there. No tears. Get a little bit of yarn popping up right here, but the palm is perfectly fine. Plenty of grip, and I've heard nothing but good things about this glove from this owner and other owners that rock these gloves. So yeah, that's it. Then we have my newest glove, and this is the Puma Avanti 2019. And I absolutely love this fucking glove. This glove is amazing. The lightest of the three by far, easily. So heaviest by a long shot, second lightest, and then the lightest. And the difference between the two is very noticeable as well. This is astronomical between these two, as I'm shaking the camera. This one, you get the stitching on the outside as well. Guys, you could be driving, at one point when you're driving on track, you will feel like you don't have anything on your hands. That's how light and thin this glove is. This glove is $180, and it feels like you're paying $180 for some cheesecloth because it's literally that fucking thin. Now, the quality of this glove isn't going to last very long. I honestly don't think it will because of just how thin it is. So if you're driving a lot of track days, you might go through 3 sets of these in a year. Yeah, that's just the truth of the matter, guys. This is a super thin glove. It's designed to be the most lightweight available, while still meeting the fire and safety regulations that it has to from the FIA and SFI. So the top tier drivers use this in F1, and so if it's good enough for F1 drivers, it's good enough for you. Like, that's how I was sold on the product, and yeah, I absolutely love this glove. I've used it many times this past weekend, and like I said, guys, at some point during the day, I just forgot I had a glove. Like, it just felt like my hands were grabbing onto the wheel directly, and it was absolutely amazing. So, Adidas Rsr, I bought these at speedtweaks.uk for 180 bucks. Good luck trying to find them. Like I said, they're discontinued, so whatever they got is whatever's left in the world. Pretty bummed they discontinued these, but it is what it is. The Alpine Stars is going to be a $210 glove, and the Puma Avanti is going to be a $180 glove. So, yeah, that'll be it for this video, guys. Like I said, we'll recap real quick. This is the lightest glove. These two are very light. These two are both very tight. This is the lighter glove, though. This is a more bulky glove, but you know you're getting a high quality product with Alpine Stars. This glove will probably last another year or so before you have to worry about any type of tearing or anything of that nature. And yeah, all 3 of these gloves are about the same tier, and they're all very good gloves. You can't go wrong with any one of these. It's all personal preference. So I'll leave you guys with that. If you guys have any questions, please drop in the comment section below, and then I'll get back to it as soon as possible. Other than that, hope you guys have a good one. Later.